Alright, I'm going to show you guys how to put in your bolt catch. So you need your bolt catch pin, your bolt catch spring, and your plunger. Alright, first what you want to do is take your bolt catch pin and put it in. Get it started just a little bit, but not all the way. You don't want to go all the way, just enough to where it won't fall out. Then you take your spring, put it in the hole, which is right in here. Then you take your plunger with the pointy end going in the hole first. Then you take your bolt catch, you put it in. And what I like to do is take another small, either Allen, and put it in there until when I get matched up with my bolt catch. Just like that, your bolt catch is installed. Make sure it wiggles and does what bolt catches do.